Hey everyone, welcome back. So if you watched my short, you will know that last night was, or early this morning I should say, was when my Harbor Freight heavy duty silver tarp died. I bought this new and put it on June 15th. I got 7 weeks out of it. Seems to me like these used to last longer, but maybe I'm remembering wrong. But first thing that happens is the desert sun just does this to them. And I mean, they're like tissue paper. I mean, they're so thin that they're almost non-existent. And then the first time we get any kind of winds, and this has been a really mild year for the monsoon season and for rain and winds. So I'm really shocked this one did not last longer, but I went and purchased a new one, the exact same thing, the 11 foot 4 by 15 6-inch tarp, heavy duty reflective tarp, because if this was end of August instead of early August, I'd probably just leave it off, but I don't want it uncovered for all of August, and because we got a minimum of 4 to 6 weeks of summer left here. So I do want to get it recovered, and I want to get the tire covers back on. Funny, these tire covers are a couple of years old, and they have lasted better than the Harbor Freight tarp, and these were the cheapest things I could get. Of course, you know me, I always buy the cheapest shit I can get. But anyway, I could have bought the blue tarp for less. But anyway, I'm going to start this thing up, let the engine warm up, then let it cool, then I'm going to cover it again. Alrighty, there we go. Started it up until the fans came on, let it cool a little bit, unhooked the battery from the engine from ground, put the battery maintainer back on, put the tire covers back on, and put the new tarp on, and hopefully that will last until the end of summer. Anyway, glad it's done. It wasn't that hot out first thing this morning. At 6:30 it was only 83, but it is now up to 100 and climbing, and I am going to get out of the sun. And thanks for watching.